Hi friends, welcome to Trading Strategies. Today is 24th September 2019. So we are going to discuss about tomorrow's trade setup, that is 25th September 2019, how we are going to trade Bank Nifty futures, and one more strategy, that is a breakout strategy for Reliance Industries. So how we are going to trade tomorrow these uh, two indexes and one stock for intraday purpose only. Friends, I explained in the previous my video, uh, this is a Nifty spot. So that day I told is a big rally day. So if the price goes above this, and this is the supply area where it will halt here. So that I was explained in the previous my video. So now see what happened. The big rally day, 2 days back, and yesterday the price went up to this and tested the supply zone and closed here. And today, if you see the technical chart today, the Nifty formed a doji. Normally doji patterns will be considered as non-decisive patterns. There is no decision at taken the market move. The this doji has happened. So normally what happens, the doji, after doji, the important thing is either the which side the market goes, that side market will go. If you see in the previous also, if you see this is the doji, after closing the price below this line, price went down. And if you see in the previous some places, you can see, if you see here, I'll show you. See, this is the doji, right? After price closed above the doji, the price went up. This is the doji. Here, after closing the below this doji, then price fallen. So the dojis are very important, but only thing is we have to take very care after the doji, what is the price action. So as per this daily chart, the daily supply is held at 670 to 706. This is a zone, very crucial zone. In the coming days, if the price closes above this zone, there is a high probability the price will go up to this area. This is 11,928 and 9,000, 11,000, sorry, 11,964. So this is the probability. Only if the price closes above this level, 11,706. So, and the downside, normally any gap will become as a demand or a support, or sometimes if the gap is happened on the higher side, suppose the price is going there, there is a gap, that gap will act as a resistance. Here if the price comes down, this gap may become support. So what our idea is, this may become the demand for the coming days. Once price closes below this 11,381, there is again a chance of price falling down. So these are the areas you should watch very carefully for the coming few sessions. So now we'll come to the tomorrow's trade setup, that is 25th September 2019. Tomorrow what we are going to trade and how we are going to trade. So that the trade setup for tomorrow. So before the market itself, we should have a clean cut setup. We'll go according to the rule only. If market goes against our rules, we are not going to trade. Very clear on that, right? So now we'll see what we are going to do tomorrow, right? These are the levels for tomorrow Nifty futures. If the price goes above this 11,656, we will buy and we'll take out profit for 20 points and keeping a stop loss of, for the price action we have to see if uh, the stop loss should be kept as per our rule. I already mentioned these levels and how to trade the Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures on a intraday basis. Every day I'm posting in my blog that you can see that. So this is the blog, mytradinglevels.blogspot.com. Uh, this is the levels 11,656 and 11,557. If the price goes below this, the sell, and price goes above this, buy. These are the breakout levels. So as per this, we have to trade. So here I mentioned clearly what is the buy and what is the sell, and how to keep the stop loss and how to book the profit. 20 points every day is the profit. So after this month, that is the end of September, I can give you the complete result, how we are traded in September and what are the results. And Nifty and Bank Nifty both I'll give you. This is the Bank Nifty futures for 25th September 2019. So these are the this is the 5 minutes chart, and as per this chart you have to draw the levels 29,920, 30,490. These are the two levels. You just draw the two lines, and if the price goes above this, the 5 minutes candle should close above this level, then buy, take out profits for 100 points. So every day 100 points in Bank Nifty, 20 points in Nifty futures. That's the simple rules, very simple, very easy to understand, and implementation also very easy. Just give a bracket order and automatically it takes care. So you need not worry the price goes which way it goes. Put a bracket order, 100 points profit and stop loss 2 and the buy level. Everything it will come in a bracket order. So you put a bracket order and the bracket order will execute it. You will get 100 points profit. If the price goes against you, you'll make a stop loss. The stop loss will be triggered and then we have to book the stop loss. So this is the simple rule, and this is the thing where I mentioned in the blog. So same rules. Only thing is the levels will change for the Bank Nifty. So Nifty futures and Bank Nifty futures you can trade like this. And now we'll discuss about the breakout strategy for the Reliance Industries. What is the breakout strategy? First of all, we have to understand what is the breakout strategy. The breakout strategy is nothing but the price breaking from the zone. If the price is oscillating from one point to other point for a certain period of time, and once it breaks out, it gives your profit. The move will be very fast and very severe. So that fast move we have to encash. That is a breakout strategy simply. So which range, how we have to decide that range, and we'll see that. This is one of the strategies. There will be plenty of strategies, but you have to stick to one or two strategies and take out your profits. That is the most important. And keeping a stop loss. Stop loss is also most important. Now we'll see the Reliance Industries. So this is the Reliance Industries day chart, daily chart, and this is the daily candles. So I'm not using any indicator or anything, only demand, supply and the breakout levels, right? So if you see, this is the demand area on a daily time frame. This is the supply, right? Today it tested the supply and price came down. So this is for demand and supply on a daily time frame. Now what I'm going to see is, so how I'm going to trade tomorrow. So I'm changing this to a 5-minute chart. We'll change this to 5 minutes. So this is the 5-minute chart of Reliance Industries. So this is the supply. Now this is the demand, right? There is a huge gap. So how we are going to trade tomorrow? The strategy is simple. Let the market to open. you wait for 45 minutes. You have to wait for 45-minute range. So what we'll do is I'll show you how we can trade. Suppose today the market over, but as per that, the strategy is simple. I'll show you the strategy. You just change this to 45 minutes, right? Don't worry if there is no 45 minutes in your chart software. You can go and have a 15 minutes candle. So 15 minutes candle, you take 15 minutes is the 45 minutes, right? So you just draw one line on the higher side of these three candles, right? And lower side, the low of this candle, right? This 1, 2, 3. This is 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 45 minutes. I'm putting here. After opening the market, after you leave first three candles, 15, 15, 15, 45, a high and low. If the price, this is 15 minutes. Now convert this to 5 minutes, right? So like this. So suppose if you are traded today, as per the strategy, this is the range, right? 45 minutes range breakout. So the range breakout will happen here, right? So you have to buy above this. That means the candle closed above this, right? So the candle closing is 85. So 1285 you are supposed to buy and keep a stop loss. Keep a stop loss below these three candles. 5 minutes, 5 minutes and 5 minutes. That means 15 minutes candle below. So here you have to keep a stop loss and you keep the target. Target is simple. Once the price goes up, if any 5 minutes candle forms as a bearish candle means maybe red candle, you have to observe that once a bearish candle forms, you take out your profits. So like that, not only Reliance, you can trade any high liquid stocks. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. Give a thumbs up.